Hello, in this video, I'd like to show you how you can increase your watch hour and get more subscriber on your YouTube channel. Experts have explained that for every 100 views, you can get 5 subscribers. And you also know that for monetization on YouTube, you must have 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour. So if you want to increase your watch hour, you want to have more subscribers, just follow me step by step and don't miss any process. Without further ado, why not give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not already a subscriber. Thank you. So let's go into my system and let me show you what you need to do right away. Using your mobile phone, what you want to do now is to click on your browser and use Chrome. So I'm going to come, then type studio.youtube.com. So go ahead and click on it. All right, so you see, you're going to open like this. It'll tell you click this one. All right, to get the help now, just go to continue to studio. So you will have a broader view of what we are going to be doing. Just allow it to load. Okay, so it's loading. What you want to do now is to come to this side for channel customization. Yes, channel customization. Then come towards this side, home tab. Okay. Okay, what you want to do now is you're going to navigate towards your YouTube studio, this home page. If you go, click on this, your icon, you can view your channel. So click on it, view your channel. Very good. So this is inside your studio now. This is home page. You look at it. This is for you. This is short. Okay. This is videos. I'm going to show you how I did all these things. So if anybody is visiting my channel now, the person will have access to all this. So this is what you're going to do. Come to customize channel. Click on it. So it's opening a different tab. So let's wait for it to just load in a moment. Very good. Very good. Okay, now that we're here, just watch this carefully. Look at home tab. So click on home tab. Look at add sessions. Okay. I've added some sessions. I've added, you remember the other time we saw my shorts, we have, okay, then we have videos. Then we have popular videos on this channel. We have it on the home page. If you go there now, you'll see it. So if anybody is visiting my channel, the person will see what I have. Also, for you to be able to do that, first and foremost, look at this. It says show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. Did you see that? Did you see it? So if you toggle this, if you turn it on now, anybody visiting your channel will see your content. So they will be, eager to watch. And the more they watch, the more you have subscribers and your watch hour keep increasing. So to do that, just turn this on. If yours is not on, okay, just turn it on, then come to add sessions. Click on it. I've added some sessions, but let me add additional. So let me add additional session. If you have not added session, you will see all this will be active. You see they'll be active. I've added this one, so they're no longer active. Let me add this one now. If I add it immediately, it's going to add up to this layout. So let me click on it. You just see it now. Okay, this has been added, but I don't have any live stream. So, but this has been added. So that's what you want to do to make YouTube recommend your videos on your own page. Now, this is very, very important. Come to this For You page and click More Settings. Click More Settings. All right. If you have not done this, yours will be here. This is by default. Say all content. So YouTube will generally refresh your content and just, or let's just read what is there. So YouTube always updates the For You session with fresh content. So it's going to be generally random. Okay, random. They just keep suggesting content and put on your, your own tab. But we don't want that at all. because every YouTuber starts somehow. Some of you, your content were not even nice when you started. So you don't want YouTube to keep recommending content that were not do or that didn't do well, or content that are not really nice, content that you don't really like. So you want to click this, okay? Click this. So recent content only. That's what we want. So content you have posted in the last 12 months. That's what YouTube will recommend. Look at this. Okay, make sure they are all on. Video, short, live stream, they are all on. Make sure you do that. Then you click OK or you click done. This is done. Then don't forget to publish it. You understand? Publish and you are good to go. With this setup now, if you go back to your home page, let's go to the dashboard and navigate our way to the home page. To our home page now, your channel page. So you're going to see that a lot of things have changed. So if anybody busy visiting your channel now, so you have the For You page. I have this already. Remember, we just created the live stream page. We have this now. Now look at this. We have videos. We have popular videos. The live stream, I don't have any live stream. If not, it will have been added to it. So if you're visiting my channel, you don't have to navigate towards videos before you see what I have. Okay? It's a new channel, so it's growing gradually. So you don't have to navigate anywhere. Just from my own page, at a glance, you can tell, okay, wow, you have created a video, thumbnail, get design. Oh, okay, background remover. You see how to get more views. You understand? So this will really help you get more views and more subscribers. If you find value in this tutorial, in this short clip, I'd like you to give the video a like so that YouTube can suggest it to more persons. Okay. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, why not subscribe and encourage me to make videos that will also help you. Thank you so much. So that's all for today's video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.